Good morning! I am super excited. Today is Thursday, August 29th. I am on my way to meet the Leonards for their brand new home construction. Today is the drywall appointment. We are so excited. Things have been moving along so much quicker than we had anticipated. It's just been amazing. Working with really competent, really amazing builders definitely makes the entire difference. So I will be sharing with you guys as soon as I get there a little bit more details, how the house is looking on the inside, and just everything that I can. So stay tuned.